Hi everybody and welcome Football Battle Day channel. Yesterday was a good day for us. We correctly predicted 9 matches and incorrectly 6 matches, and the final die with a win profit plus 4.27 units. Yesterday winning matches: RB Leipzig versus Mainz. RB Leipzig win this game with the Asia handicap minus 1.5 goals. Final time score 3-1 from Leipzig and win for us. Slovan Liberec versus Karvina. Karvina Asia handicap plus 1 goal. Final time score 1-1 and another win for us. FC Basel versus Vaduz. Vaduz don't lose this game with the Asia handicap plus 1.5 goals. Final time score 2-2 and another win for us. Chelsea Londra versus Liverpool. Liverpool win this game. Final time score 2-0 from Liverpool and win for us. Lech Poznan versus Varta Poznan. Varta Poznan don't lose this game with the Asia handicap plus 1 goal. Final time score 0-0 and another win for us. Viking versus Alesund. Viking win this game with the Asia handicap minus 1.5 goals. Final time score 5-2 from Viking and another win for us. Granada versus Alaves, over 2.5 goals. Final time score 2-1 from Granada and another win for us. Big odds for us yesterday, 3.00. Odd versus Stabaek. Odd win this game with the Asian handicap minus 0.75 goals. Final time score 2-0 from Odd and another win for us. Antwerp versus Eupen. Eupen don't lose this game. Final time score 2-2 and another win for us. Today we have some interesting matches to watch. Dynamo Moscow versus Akhmat Grozny. Akhmat Grozny don't lose this game with the Asian handicap plus 0.25 goals. Piast Gliwice versus Jagiellonia. Jagiellonia don't lose this game with the Asian handicap plus 0.25 goals. Mlada Boleslav versus Jablonek. Draw, and the first big odds for us today, 3.70. Borac Banja Luka versus Tuzla City. Tuzla City don't lose this game. Akranes versus Grota. Akranes win this game with the Asian handicap minus 1 goal. Fenerbahce versus Hatayspor. Fenerbahce win this game with the Asian handicap minus 1 goal. Varbergs versus Helsingborg, over 2.75 goals. Sirius versus Falkenbergs. Falkenbergs don't lose this game. Aston Villa versus Sheffield United. Draw, another big odds today for us, 3.25. Aalborg versus Horsens, under 2.5 goals. Gaz Metan Medias versus Dynamo Bucharest, over 2.5 goals. Bochum versus St. Pauli. St. Pauli don't lose this game. AC Milan versus Bologna. AC Milan win this game with the Asia handicap minus 1 goal. Auxerre versus Troyes, over 2 goals. Wexford versus Athlone, draw. Another big odds today for us, 3.70. And the final match and main events, Wolverhampton versus Manchester City. Manchester City win this game with the Asian handicap minus 1.5 goals. Another big odds for us, 2.40. Today we have to have as a good results as yesterday. Leave in the comments your opinions about the matches or if you have any questions. If you like our proposals, you can help us with a like and press the notification button, and you can subscribe to Football Bet Today channel. After the matches, we listen music to 6ix9ine with the new single 22. Tomorrow we will return with the results and the new interesting matches. Thank you very much guys, and enjoy the football. Game on!